Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be learning how to do ponytail. Actually there was first video and it was a fail, so I want to try it again this time, and I'm trying to make it better. So let's rate this guy. What do you think? Is it a fail or pass? After this video, guys, comment in the section, let me know if I passed or not. So today I'll be using Acct styler gel, and I'll be using this expression weaving. Let me just find it out. 1 minute, guys. I'll be using this. I actually bought this over the weekend, so I was planning to make this video last weekend. This one is Diana. I don't know if you guys can see it. Diana. And we actually have a curious little girl here. She's here looking at my screen for me. So here we go. That's her voice. Please. Sorry, yes. So I have Diana. So this is what they have. Daniela rather. Sorry. So I'll be using it, and this is what it looks like as the and oh, there's actually a net. I didn't notice that. Okay, so guys, let's get into the video. So I have my cotton comb here. I'm just going to make something simple. So I'm just going to part my hair. Let me try center pattern. So I'm just going to part my hair. I actually go and give it to daddy. Daddy? Yes, daddy is inside. Daddy? I actually sprayed my hair with water a while ago, so it's getting a little dry, or I'll just make use of it like that, and then I'm going to just try to comb it. I'm not going to really comb it that much because it's a little thick at the moment and painful, so I'm just going to do that. I don't know if my parts are clear, but never mind, the gel will do the work. And then I'm going to pack my hair with a strand of yarn. I actually am using yarn instead of this buns, because yarn will make it tighter and stronger. No, take it back. Yarn will make it tighter. So I'm just going to do that now, guys. Don't mind that, guys. She's just excited to see me go. Okay, so this is what I've got. Wow. I hope it's not too tight. So I'm just going to make that. No. And I'm just going to tie. I said no. I'm just going to tie that twice at the end. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's just basically tying the hand, and that's it. Then this I'm going to weave. I'll be using the needle to hold that very soon. So guys, first one done. So guys, now that my hair is packed, I'm going to fix my weave-on first before applying the gel. So I'm going to bring out the weave-on. This is what it looks like. I'm trying to make sense out of it. But I'm not sure I'll be using everything. I may, but let me see. I'm still thinking about it, because it looks too full for me. I really don't like it when my hair is all... Okay, so I can't find my scissors. So, it looks a little too full for me. I don't know. Let's just get this out. Okay, they have two right here. Oh, this is nice. Guys, let me see. They have two. So I'm just going to use maybe one. One should be enough for me. I'm just going to use one. I bought this for 1,800 here in Nigeria. In case you're watching from another country, I bought this for 1,800. I don't think I want you to be fuller than this, so I'll just go in with that. If I change my mind, I'll let you go. And then I have my threaded needle right here. So I'm just going to start with that. And be careful. If you have a glue is actually better for this. But I don't really like glue because it's for me. I just don't know. I use it if I go to my hairdresser's place, but personally, I've not tried it before. So, guys, there you go. I'm trying to stitch. Let me see if you guys can see what I'm doing. So, as I'm stitching, I'm just going to go around my hair with the wave. Be careful so you don't cut yourself with the needle. Go and tell Daddy. Sorry. Okay, so I can't find my needle. Okay, found it. So yeah, it is, guys. Yeah. So gently, it's going to. Thank you. It's not done yet.
It's not done yet?
Yes.
Give it for me.
Is it beautiful? Yes.
I want to see him yet.
Picture is in my hair. So I'm just going to do that quickly, guys. No, don't touch it. If I don't make this video now, I may not make the video for the week again. I've been trying to push and push, waiting for them to sleep. But they refuse to sleep. No. So I decided to make the video whether they are asleep or not.
No.
No. Guys, we're almost done. I think it's just. Okay, so my hands are hurting.
Mommy, are you laughing?
Yes, I'm laughing.
You're laughing. I like it beautiful.
Thank you, it's beautiful. I'm practically almost done. My kids kept shouting and making noise, so I had to go off camera to do the major part of the sewing, and this is just the finishing part. I had to even back one of them. As you can see, my clothes is a little different now, so I'm tying a fan. The other one is busy still distracting. So no, don't bring it here, guys. I'm just going to so I'm just going to finish the edge and then put my gel on. I hope you guys can still see my hair. I'm just going to hold the tip. You want to sleep? Do you want to sleep? You want to sleep? Okay. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'll take you inside now. So that's it. And I just want to secure the other parts I feel are not really secured. So I'm just going to go in with my needle. Guys, please, this is what happened when your kids are on holiday and you have to record videos. So I feel this part is not no, stop now. Oh yeah, go and enter your car. Go and play with your car. And that's it. And so guys, I'm practically done with sewing this. try to take it maybe from the back, like a strand kind of, and roll it around the edge so that it doesn't show my stitch it. Stop it, please. That's done. So now I'm going in with my Echo styler. I actually prefer this Echo styler to the normal gel because that one gives me dandruff. I'm just going to use my hand. I prefer to use my hand than brush or comb. I'm just going to use my hand. Gently. I don't want it to be too much. I think I said this in my previous video that I don't like using too much of gel on my hair. It takes time to wash off, and then I have to always wash like twice because I'm always careful of dandruff and the likes. So I'm just going to do this gently with my hand. That way I can monitor what I'm spreading and what I'm not. Here, guys, see. So I don't know. I think I'll just stop with this. I think this is fair enough. No. I keep saying no. I keep saying what? Oh God, it's easy. So, for this part, I'm just going to gently try to style it with my hand. I'm actually not using a mirror, so I'm only using my sense of feeling and the likes, you know. So that's that for the gel part. I'm going to allow it to dry, and then I'm going to try to do this edges. I really don't know how to do edges. I'm not really good at making edges, but I think I'll just go to my mirror and try to do the edges and then come back and show you guys what I've done. I did my edges with my camera, with my mirror, and this is what I ended up with. I forgot to tell you, I don't know if I told you guys earlier, I ended up using the two parts, the two, what do I call it, the two wavers here, and then this is what I have right now. Let me guys know, don't pour it on your sister, let me guys know, is it a yes or a no in the comment section. And please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please like, subscribe and share. God bless you. Please encourage your sister, and let's get to 1,000 subscribers or more. We can do more. I know we can actually do more. This July we can do more. Please, let's get to over 1,000 subscribers, and please like, comment and share. See you in my next video. Bye. Love you guys. Love you. Bye.